How to use Gojek in Bali. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Gojek in Bali. To make a booking, start by entering your destination where you want to go. Confirm your pickup point where you will be picked up. Next, choose your ride from the available options. If you have a promo code, add it to enjoy any discounts. Choose your payment method and provide the necessary details. To confirm your booking, simply tap on Order Go Car. For communication with your driver, once your ride is confirmed, tap on Send a chat to the driver. You can type a message or even share a photo through the quick chat. If you prefer to talk directly, tap on the phone button to give your driver a call. To use the Edit Pickup feature, ensure your new pickup location is within 200 meters of the original one. Make sure your driver hasn't arrived yet. Tap on Edit and then Edit Pickup Location. Enter your new pickup spot and confirm it. For utilizing the Edit Destination feature, tap on Edit located on the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on Edit Destination. Enter your new destination and tap Let's Go to confirm the changes. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.